What I like most about AspectFT is its ease of use and flexibility. There are so many tools that you can use to accomplish anything that you want to, and once you find a way to build the project the way that you want it, it far surpasses anything else on the market.
And so with 2.0 and the map, the most exciting thing that I really enjoy about it is the fact that we have trending right there in it, and we can customize it right there from the map, along with the alarming and any points that we need to display. So the end users, we can really get the product out there to them so they can get it and see it at a faster rate, and they really love being able to do that.
AspectFT 2.0 has cut our engineering time in half. Projects that were taking about 40 to 50 hours are now being done in about 15 to 20 hours, and that's 100% because of the map. The ability for the map to hold everything that you need in a centralized location and then quickly distribute it to your applications and components makes the engineering time on projects much faster.
Feature to go from 1.8 to 2.0 was fantastic. It seems like we keep adding more features. I think these forums do a great job of being able to identify what are the next set of features that we need, rather than just kind of deciding on your own. You hear back from the solution integrators, and they seem to all be on the same page as far as what direction to go next.
The HTML5 comes in play because of the mobile devices. They like that they can be sitting on their fishing boat out in the middle of nowhere, and as long as they have a cell signal, heck, I can see what's going on in my building, and they love it. So then the school calls up and says, this is burning up in Miss Sue's room. So okay, great, I can go and see, okay, yes it is. There's a problem, send out a technician right away.
Yeah, a lot of our customers, we're actually starting to provide our customers with iPad minis or iPads so that they can access their system from anywhere, especially in schools, hospitals, where they've got a wireless access all the time. They're starting to use that to troubleshoot instead of hooking up with the CC485 and Solo Pro.
We use the HTML5 interface not only for our engineers but for our end users as well. It's a very useful tool to be able to access and view your system while you're standing in front of the equipment. Not needing a computer and being able to do it all on mobile technology is very helpful.
The best thing for us is just getting together with the other solution integrators. Some of the different ideas on how to build a project, even getting from point A to point C or D, everybody does it a little bit differently, and getting some of those perspectives really cuts down on your engineering time.
Based upon the past year, and from the point, let's say, I'm 3 years into coming to forums and being able to speak about what I see as a user of AspectFT. And within those 3 years, we've come leaps and bounds. And to be able to say, hey, this is something I need, and to have it turn around within a minuscule amount of time, pretty impressive, very impressive, and I'm very happy with that. I couldn't ask for a better support team.
The best part of the forum is just the overall dynamic. You don't have to sit and listen to one person lecture for 2 days straight. It is a forum. Everybody is discussing, everybody's sharing ideas, they're talking about what works for them and what doesn't work for them, and you really get a sense of how this is affecting everybody who is on the ground level. Not just those who are developing the concepts and the theories, but you really get to see a lot of real-world application.
All right, so we're wrapping up the 2014 Aspect Advancement Forum. The participation has been great. We've had a lot of customer interaction, and the mood is good. Certainly the amount of feedback that we've gotten from a customer base will help us moving forward with some new products and some new features, and I think they've been very receptive to understanding the new features that we introduced this year, and in fact, we've had a lot of requests for maybe doing this a little bit more frequently, so we're going to look into that as well. I think it's an exciting time, and there we go.